Dear students, in this video I am going to explain refractive index. Refractive index is a ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in specific medium. This medium can be anything that will be given in your exam or given in your book. Refractive index is a ratio, thus it is dimensionless. It does not have any unit. We have one more topic, that is magnification, which is a ratio which does not have any unit. That is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. Thus we have a formula of refractive index. Mu is equal to C by V. Mu can also be seen as N. That is equal to C by V, where C is speed of velocity of light in vacuum, that has a value 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Try to learn this value. This will not be given in exam. Where N is refractive index and V is velocity of light in any substance. Thus we have a formula N is equal to C by V. Refractive index can be easily calculated by this formula. This refractive index is also known as absolute refractive index. We have relative refractive index also. We have refractive index in relation with angles of incidence and refraction also. Which means refractive index will be higher if the density of the medium is higher. Density will be higher, the speed of the medium, speed of the light in that medium will be slower. This will be the relation you have to practice. Next slide, we have refractive index, another formula, another definition. Ratio of speed of light in given pair of media. That means you have two different mediums, that is not vacuum. Like I'll give example, if light is passing from glass to water, water to glass, here we are not using vacuum, thus it will be another refractive index definition, that we have taken two different velocity v1 and v2. Then the relation will be n21, which means refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, v1 by v2. Another relation opposite, refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium is v2 by v1. Thus we have got two relations. Refractive index of one medium is always reciprocal of the refractive index of second medium. You can understand this relation better in my another video, that is principle of reversibility. That video is already given. You can watch that video and you can understand better that what is this relation. N12 is equal to 1 by N21. Again I'll explain. N21 is refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, that is the velocity of first divided by velocity of second, whereas the another one is refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium, that means velocity of second divided by velocity of first. The simplest meaning of refractive index is like the diamond has the highest refractive index, that is 2.42. It means in simplest term, the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in diamond is 2.42. This is the simplest meaning of refractive index. We have two different mediums. One is denser, second is rarer. Denser medium, the speed of light is less. Rarer medium, the speed of light is more. The speed of light is less in denser medium, that means it has the higher value of refractive index, because if you see the formula of refractive index, the velocity and refractive index of a medium is inversely proportional to each other. More will be the refractive index, less will be the velocity of light. We can understand this by the next slide, in which diagram is also there. You can see the diagram carefully. Light, ray of light, that is in red color, is coming obliquely from a rarer medium to denser medium. Obliquely means slanting. If we take straight light on the normal, the light will not show any refraction, it will go straight. The angle I will be 0, R will be 0. That is called normal incidence. So every time we have to take oblique ray of light so that there should be an angle. Ray of light when passing from rarer medium where the speed of light is high to the denser medium where the speed of light is less, it will bend towards normal. That green light you can see, angle I is greater, angle R is smaller. Second diagram you can see ray of light that is passing from opposite denser to rarer. Angle I is smaller, R is bigger. It will move away from normal. When light passes from high speed to low speed, it moves towards normal. When light passes from low speed to high speed, it moves from away from normal. And we can calculate refractive index by this formula also. If we are given with the values of I and R, we can put the value, we will get the result of refractive index. More will be refractive index, less will be the velocity of light in that medium. Try to understand by watching this video again and again. Thank you very much.